This is Lexus Auto Parts Pro. Today with 2010 Lexus IS250, stock number 7144. It's run from 11/2005 to the 12/2014. There's a 4GR 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4GR 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch thick aluminium tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch thick aluminium tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear boot lid no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch thick aluminium tyre. Right rear right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch thick aluminium tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.